5 best Chihuahua harnesses. In this video we'll show you the best Chihuahua harnesses available to buy online. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Number 1. Boobie Comfort X head-in harness. Made for small dogs, fits dogs up to 30 pounds. Padded choke-free design. Lightweight polyester mesh. Reduces stress, pressing on the neck with unique design. Comes in 6 different colors, 4.4 out of 5 stars, and over 900 ratings. Number 2, EcoBark Steppin dog harness. No pull and no choke dog harness. Padded vest. Dog harness includes recycled straps. Highest standard of a specialized safety buckle. Escape-proof design. 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 1,000 ratings. Number 3, Voyager Steppin Air Dog Harness. All-weather mesh made with soft, breathable air mesh design. 3. Safety features: loop fastener, buckle and D-rings. Step-in, clip and go. 16 color designs to choose from. 4.5 out of 5 stars on over 9,500 ratings. Number 4. Comfortable and secure. Unconditional satisfaction guaranteed for 2 years. Perfect fit for all weather. Soft and breathable material. Includes durable leash that's 59 inches long. 4.3 out of 5 stars and over 70 ratings. Number 5. EXPAWLORER Fleece Autumn Harness. Keep your Chihuahua warm and secure. Soft, 100% polyester, high quality design. Intimate design, a small pocket on the back of the vest. Practical design, O-ring attached on the back. 3.9 out of 5 stars and over 1,600 ratings. And please don't forget, all the links to these products are in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.